partners. Here are some top quality guidelines for your understanding, which will help you to avoid common errors while doing order delivery. The top 3 quality issues are denials and cancellations, order fast forward, and delay in delivery. Let's discuss the delivery partner quality guidelines in detail. The first guideline is denials and cancellations. As a delivery partner, it is important for us to accept all the orders assigned. Along with the acceptance, we need to ensure that we deliver the orders to the customers on time. Please do not deny long distance orders assigned to you and accept them at all times. If you deny accepting the order that is assigned to you, this will be treated as denial and counted in your account. This will also result in customer dissatisfaction and customer will stop placing orders on Zomato. You will see a penalty amount on your payout if you deny orders throughout the week. Your account can also be suspended if the number of order denials and cancellation is huge in any of the week. The second guideline in the quality is order fast forward. This means that you are updating the order status as delivered without completing the delivery. As soon as you mark the order delivered, customer gets a notification on the Zomato app that the order has been delivered. If you mark the order delivered before the delivery, customer will be surprised and might cancel the order because of the false entry. This may result in customer getting the wrong status of the order, due to which they will contact Zomato team and cancel the order. They will also lose the trust on you and Zomato team for future orders. So it is very important that we should only mark the orders on partner app after it is being delivered to the customer. The third guideline of the quality is order delay. After you accept any order on partner app, please ensure that you reach the merchant's location on time to pick up the order and do not waste your time anywhere else. Any unwanted delay in picking up the order will delay the entire delivery time and this will result in dissatisfied customers. So, please ensure you always pick up the orders within the stipulated time. After you pick up the order, please use the map navigation to reach the customer's location. Avoid talking to anyone over the phone when you are out for order delivery. The order delay will result in the order cancellation by the customers. Also, for all such subsequent delays in the order delivery, you will be penalized in your payout and customer will stop trusting you and Zomato team for on-time delivery. There are some other useful tips to ensure that you always deliver the orders on time. Please carry sufficient fuel in your two-wheeler and drive carefully. Keep your phones charged and carry a power bank for emergency purposes. Please check the merchant and customer's location on Google Maps and the best routes available as per the traffic updates. Please ensure no order to be rejected and all accepted orders must be delivered on time. In case of any unforeseen delay, please speak to the customer and inform them about the reason of delay. Thank you for watching this video.